Hey, this is Sam here with Vive Health, and we're gonna go over our massage cane. This thing is awesome. It helps with trigger point therapy, getting knots out of your back. You can also use this on different parts of your body. We have these two balls at the top here that you could use on the back of your neck. As I mentioned, you can use this, on your arms, on your legs if you want, use for trigger point therapy. But what also makes this awesome is this comes apart here. And what is great about this is as it comes apart, it makes it easier to travel with. So if you want to throw this in your book bag or you want to throw this in a suitcase, it doesn't take up a ton of room. And a lot of people, what a question they have is, well, does that make it less strong or less sturdy? And the answer is no. It's still just as strong as other massage canes out in the market, but this thing is awesome. So that is our Vive massage cane.